Alright everyone, and today we're going to do a little thing on custom stories. So I'm gonna try to get through this as best as I can. So bear with me. So first we're gonna go to computer, and depending on where you bought the game, if you bought it on Steam, you have to go to Program Files 86 or just regular Program Files, depending on XP or Windows 7 or Windows Visa. So for me, I go to Program Files and then just go to Amnesia the Dark Descent and then Redist. And then I mean, if you bought on Steam, you'd have to go to Program Files, find Steam, Steam Apps, your username, and then Amnesia. But since I have it, I bought it retail, then we're just gonna go here. So Redist. So first you're gonna go to Redist, or I really don't know for Steam, so I'm sorry about that. So Redist, custom stories, and then you'll need here. So first off, with the level editor, let me actually go back to that. With the level editor, you will need to save your map in a folder with your with the name of your story. So for me, I just put tutorial, so I made a folder called tutorial. Let me go there real quick. Tutorial test. And then I made two other folders, I think. I made a map folder, and then I made a chapter 1 folder, and then I saved my map in here. Ignore this for now. So the first thing we will need is a custom story settings.cfg. So you will need to, well, first they hide extensions for the name of these really, so you'll have to push Alt, go to Tools, go to Folder Options, go to View, and then check off hide extensions for unknown file types. And then for me, I gotta make the text file outside of the folder, and then rename. No, gotta rename this whole thing. Gotta rename it custom. No, custom underscore story underscore settings dot cfg. Yes. And then right click on it, open with, and then notepad. So we're gonna open this. And I will post a link, little thing of, what am I going to say? It's a text that you need to have in there. So I'm just going to edit all this. I will post it like this, and you'll just need to copy this and paste it into your custom story settings.cfg, and then just mod it from here. So if you have an image for your story, put it in the same area where custom story settings is, and which that will just be in the folder of your the name of your custom story. And then just put the image. I have another image that I took from another story just so I could use it as a example. And then we'll go down to name and then type the name of your story. It would just be easiest just not to use any spaces. And then author, pretty self-explanatory. Maps folder, like, you'll just need to do the location of your map. So we'll just type in, so for me it's maps /CHO1 / and then that's it. And then start map, you'll need to put the name of your map right here. It has to have a dot map. And then start position is player start area _1. You will need to put this exactly, and you will need to have a starting point. And for that, the name of it, just in case you changed it, you will need to first check or find your starting point. For this, I'm going to just use this map. Right there, this is my starting point, and right here, starting player. You'll just need to copy this and put it there. And that's it for this. And then you'll just need to save that. And like I said before, you should bring your text outside of the folder first, because for some reason mine makes me save it outside and makes me put it back in. So like that. And then we have our file here, and then I'm going to go to my the area where I saved my map. We're going to need to have something like this. Now let me just go ahead and make a new one. And what you'll need to do is save this. Save it, the name of your map. So mine's just easyname.hps. It will have to be HPS. Then yes. Then once again open with Notepad. And then the limited amount of text you will need for the work is void on start. Where is it? These things, and then this. No, this, and then this. Let's see if I got that right. Yes, but I got it backwards. So this, and then this, and then save, and then put that inside of the folder where your map is. I'm gonna delete that. So let's go through a quick run by again. Custom story, have all the settings here. You know, your file in the name of your image. I think if you don't have an image, you'll just need to delete that and just leave the parentheses, and then or just nothing there. And then the name of your map, and then the author, yourself. The maps folder is like if I had a CH02, I would do maps/CH02/ and that's it. And then start map, the name of your map, the start position, the name of your starting area, and that's it. So, and then in your maps folder, the same where your map is, you'll have to have the same file. You'll have to have another file with this name, with the name of your map.hps, and then just type on void on start these things, and then let me just do another one. Let's just rerun. I'll also put this in the description. So void on start, and then no, stop it. And that's it. So you will only have to have that unless you know any other settings you can put for your map. And then all this will be in the custom stories. So you'll go to Redis or Steam or whatever that is, or whatever file custom stories is in Steam, and just new folder, and then the name of your custom story, and please don't put any spaces, and then all this. So that's about it, and I tried to do that as quickly as I can, and I will also post another link for another area where you can learn how to do custom stories. Thanks for watching.